What's up, everybody? We are doing week 7 this week. This is your walkthrough on Monday here, so hopefully you're watching this. So Monday, wave review activity. We got 2 things to do. So Unit 11 quizzes and a form for extra credit. So if you do this quick check-in form, I'll give you a few points of extra credit. It's like 3 questions, so it shouldn't take you very long. And then Unit 11 quizzes, let's look at this assignment. So I made all these quizzes viewable with correct answers. You can go back, see the correct answers. So I get cut off on your screen here and retake the quiz. I'll give you full points back if you do all 3. So if you got 10 out of 10 or whatever for each of these quizzes, then go for it. But we have one in week 3. We have the Friday wave characteristics. It's basics of the wave, so you can retake that quiz there. Week 4. We have the wave math quiz. That's working with our frequency, wavelength, that kind of stuff. And then we have from week 5 our Thursday quiz on wave information. So it's kind of a complete overview. So if you do all 3 of those, I'll give you full points back on whatever you improve on. It's a great way to review for our test today. Okay, so that's Monday. Tuesday is the test, so this will be available to you Wellness Wednesday. You're just checking your Dean's page to see what they have posted for you that day. Thursday we're doing test corrections. This is just our standard test corrections. Download the test correction sheet. You'll be able to go back into the test that day and view the correct answers. And then Friday we have an activity for our next unit. We're just watching this video about why the magnetic field answers. It's a YouTube video. And then answer a couple questions. And then you can check them with that key. I actually might switch that to a quiz, so it just I get a sense of that you actually did it. But I'll put it in for participation points. Anyway, so that's this week. Monday it's review, take the quizzes, do that check-in form for extra credit. Tuesday is the test. Wednesday wellness day. Check your Dean's page. Thursday test corrections. Friday, why is the magnetic field important? Anyway, love you guys, miss you. Have a great week, and let me know if you need anything. I'm available by email as well. And on the main page, I'll add a little tab that says communicate with Mr. Peters. I'll actually have a Google phone number, so if you need to text me, it'll pop up on an app on my phone, and I can get in contact with you that way. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.